Today we have an unboxing of a Montegrappa pen. This is the Montegrappa Fortuna Ten Commandments Open Edition fountain pen. It comes in a green box. It's a sleeve actually, in the traditional Montegrappa colors. Inside, the green box has the Montegrappa logo on it and the name. Inside the box is a nice gift box. It's a hinged gift box and it's covered in the Montegrappa logos. When you open up the box, you see your Montegrappa name here on top. This is a soft velvety off-white, kind of grayish lining, and you've got your 2 ink cartridges included with your pen, and they are branded Montegrappa. Your pen is under this nice leather-like band with the name, Montegrappa name on it, and in the bottom, the false bottom here is cushioned for your pen. When you lift up that false bottom, that's where you'll find your Montegrappa brand and pen information. This is your Montegrappa Fortuna Ten Commandments Open Edition fountain pen. Design is inspired by Montegrappa's Ten Commandments Limited Edition. And if you've seen that video, you'll recognize a lot of the design elements here. The design seen on that limited edition Ten Commandments fountain pen is evident in the gold fill engraving here. So you have all your references to the Ten Commandments and these Roman numerals, and in the shape of the tablets here, you have this depiction of Moses on Mount Sinai, and you have the spring metal clip. It's a really tight clip. You have your thick gold band at the bottom of the cap there, and it does say Montegrappa in their script there, and on the back, made in Italy. Here's a little bit better look at some of the design elements. On the end cap, you've got 1912. On the barrel, you'll actually be able to read the Ten Commandments, and they're here in the design both in English and in Hebrew. You have a flattened end on your barrel. This is a threaded cap. You also will see the number 6 JoWo stainless steel nib here. And we'll get a look at the entire scenario here. The nib is branded Montegrappa. The section material matches your pen, so it's resin. And this is a cartridge converter pen. It comes with the ink converter installed, and this is a Montegrappa branded converter. If you prefer to use cartridges, you just remove your ink converter and it's threaded. You just insert your standard international ink cartridge instead. But the ink converter is what you'll use for any bottled fountain pen inks. This is one more look at the pen and the cap. And again, if you have seen the limited edition Ten Commandments fountain pen from Montegrappa, you'll recognize a lot of these design elements. And the open edition, this open edition right here is definitely a great edition because it's at a very different price point, and it's also a great writer. For those who appreciate the Ten Commandments limited edition fountain pen but just aren't going to own that particular pen, this is a great option. Obviously has the same inspiration and brings a lot of the design elements into this more affordable option. And the Montegrappa Open Edition, the Montegrappa Fortuna Ten Commandments is also available in rollerball or ballpoint. If you want more information, visit pinchly.com.